And it'll also show you how you can connect. For example, you can connect by a Bluetooth, by a USB device, which is then paired with the Deutz 9-pin, and that is connected with a JDC2118. This is what the pinout looks like. It'll show you in a diagram, and it'll show you how you can connect your cable. And there are also some multiple ways to connect as well. It'll show you all the steps and all the different cables that you can use. In case you don't have the cable for any reason, there's always a multi-pin connector. This is always included in the kit. It's already part of the package. You can always use that as well if you have an experienced mechanic. We'll have a look at the fault code reading first. So there are some fault codes stored in the memory, about 2. And once you click on the freeze frame data, it'll show you the last occurrence, what was the last hour when this happened, the warning lamp is on or not, and what's the state of the engine, if it's active or non-active. Then you can also get help on components. For example, for this error, it'll tell you exactly what's the issue as to what the part is. It's the CY2 injectors. This is what the pinout is. So this is the pinout. It'll show you deeply exactly where the pinout is. What's the location on the engine? Let's have a look at that. Well, yeah. So on the engine, this is where it's located. So it'll tell you exactly how to fix the problem. It sort of eliminates all the guesswork for your mechanic. You can obviously just at the monitoring section. We have availability for live data selection. We can monitor in real time a specific data, live data, the specific system live data, and system display. Let's look at the live data selection first, how many points we have available, how many sensors there are. So there are about 458 sensors available, starting all the way from pressure, temperature, all the way down to voltage and more. You can select all the ones that you need. For example, if you need them all to be selected, you can view them in the form of a graph, in the form of gauges. This can help your mechanic make decisions if the pressure is high or the pressure is too low on a specific item, and this can help them make certain decisions accordingly. All right, let's jump out of that. Let's jump into the system display real quick. The system display will show you the fuel system in real time. If there are any errors, any issues, it will show you right then and there. So there's a problem, and then you can easily diagnose and fix that problem then and there. On the left side, the diagram, this is the wiring diagram. So for example, we have 3126. We'll have a look at this. The wiring diagram is very helpful. Your mechanic, again, will not have to do any kind of guesswork. If there's an issue, if there's a fault, you can easily pinpoint the problem, where it is, which sensor it is, and it makes their work and life really, really easy and convenient when they want to make any kind of changes to their machine. Then you can also do troubleshooting by symptoms. Troubleshooting by symptoms is very useful. For example, if you have excessive engine vibration, you can just click on it, and the system will tell you step by step how you can eliminate or what the fault might be. It makes your life very easy, especially if your mechanic is new, or if you yourself are sort of doing this. You can always troubleshoot by symptoms. So what kind of problem you're facing, so it'll take you right then and there and help you fix it.
If you have any questions, just get in touch with us here at Mechnician. You can reach us 888-64-2240 or www.mechnician.com. Thank you very much.